Welcome back, children. Now we are moving on to the new topic, rounding numbers. What do you mean by rounding numbers, children? Have you heard about this? So I'll give you some example. So you look at a person, you look at him and say, oh, his height is about 150 centimeter, right? We don't know how much is his height, but we simply say, oh, his height is about 150 centimeter. Maybe we look at a elephant and we say, oh, the elephant is weighing about 200 kilogram. Yeah? We don't know the correct weight of that elephant, isn't it? But we say the elephant is weighing about 200 kilogram. So you heard that word about. In the first sentence also use that word about. What was that? That person's height is about 150 centimeter. Then in the second sentence also I used, the elephant is about 200 kilogram. See, you heard that word about over there. We are not sure about its value, isn't it? We don't know how much is the height of the person, or we don't know how much is the weight of the elephant. So we use the word about over there. These type of numbers, okay, where we use about, these type of numbers are known as rounded numbers. We also call it as estimating what is the height of that person, or we are estimating what is the weight of that elephant. Okay, we use the word estimate also, we also use the word rounding. These numbers are known as rounded numbers. We are just rounding it to some figure. Okay, so in this we are going to learn how to round to the nearest 10 and how to round to the nearest 100. Okay, children, so just look into the video. See, suppose I have a question 32. Okay, my question is round to the nearest 10. Round to the nearest 10. So, first I have to decide 32 comes between which two tens? 32 comes between which two tens? That is, 32 comes between 30 and 40. 30 and 40 are coming in tens table. That is why I asked you 32 comes between which two tens? Tens means it can be 10. It can be 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. All these are numbers that comes on the tens. So, 32 is coming between 30 and 40. Clear, children? 32 is coming between 30 and 40. First you have to decide that. But you have to take that. Then you will check the ones place. In the ones place you have the number 2. Right? So, in the ones place, if you have the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4, all those particular numbers will go to the first number that you have taken, the first 10. Here the first 10 is 30, right? Then, in the ones place, if you have the numbers 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. If these 4 digits are coming in the ones place, then that particular number will be rounded to the next 10. Which is our next 10 over here? It is 40. Once again, first you have to decide the given number comes between which two tens. 32 is coming between 30 and 40. Okay. Then you have to take the number in the ones place. In the ones place you have 2. In the ones place, if you have the numbers, if you have the digits 1, 2, 3 and 4, then that particular number will be rounded to the first 10. Okay, here your first 10 is 30. In the ones place, if you have the digits 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. In the ones place, if you have these 5 digits over there, then that particular number, okay, that particular number will be rounded to the next 10. Which is our next 10 over here? 40. So in this question, you can see 2 is coming in the ones place. As I told you, the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you have these digits in the ones place, this particular number, that is 32, will be rounded to the first 10. Which is our first 10 here? 30. So I can say 32 is rounded to 30. Clear? Now, if I take 37, again 37 is coming between 30 and 40. Yes children, 37 is coming between 30 and 40. So where will 37 go? Will it go to the first 10 or will it go to the second 10? It will go to the second 10 because I have told you if the digits in the ones place, if the digit in the ones place is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, that particular number will be rounded to the next 10. So 37 is rounded to 40. Clear children? So this is how we round to the nearest 10. First you have to decide the particular number which is given to you comes between which two tens. That is, you have to take two numbers from the tens table. Okay? You have to take two numbers from the tens table and see. After that you have to check the ones place. In the ones place, if the digits are 1, 2, 3 and 4, in the ones place, if the digits are 1, 2, 3 and 4, then that particular number will be rounded to the first 10. Then if the digits are 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, then that particular number will be rounded to the next 10. Clear children? Now if I take the number 35, 35 is coming just between 30 and 40. Okay? Even though it is coming in between, this 35 will be rounded to the next 10 because I have told you the ones place you have the number 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 will be rounded to the which place? Which 10? To the next 10. That is the second number. So 35 is rounded to 40. 35 is rounded to 40. Clear children? So this is how you round to the nearest 10. Now I will show you questions on rounding to nearest 100. How do you round to nearest 100? I have a question here. 224. Okay, 224. Again, same as we did in nearest 10. You have to find out from hundreds table two numbers so that this 224 is between them. Can you tell me which are those two numbers? 224. It's very easy, I'll tell you children. You take this first digit, is 2. So the first number is 200. Keep that in mind. Take the first digit, it is 2. So the first 100 will be 200. After 200, what is the next 100? 300. So 224 comes between 200 and 300. Okay, this is how you take the two numbers. You see the first digit, it is 2. So first 100 will be 200, next 100 will be 300. After 2 it is 3. So next 100 will be 300. Now we have to decide where will 224 be rounded. Will it go to 200 or will it go to 300? For that, what did we do in nearest 10? We took the digit in the ones place, isn't it? Here we will take the digit in the ones and tens place. Okay, you have to take the last two digits over here. The last two digit is 24. From 0, 1 till 49. If the last two digit is from 0, 1 to 49, that is 0, 1, 2, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 3, 0, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6, then it goes till 49. If the last two digit is from here, then it will be rounded to the first 100. So your first 100 is 200 over here. Yes. If the last two digit is from 50 till 99. If the last two digit is from 50 till 99, then it is rounded to the next 100. Which is the next 100 over here? 300. Understood? What did we do in 10? If it was from 1 to 9, 1 to 4, it will go to the first 10. From 5 to 9, it will go to the second 10. Here, you will take the last two digits. If it is from 0, 1 to 49, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 49, then it is rounded to the first 100. If it is from 50 to 99, it is rounded to the next 100. Clear, children? So, you have 24 here. 24 comes where? 24 comes in this section, isn't it? From 0, 1 to 49. So, where will it be rounded? It will be rounded to 200. So, 224 is rounded to 200. 224 is rounded to 200. Clear, children? I take another question. Same. 273. Again, first you find out 273 comes between which two hundreds. As I told you, take 2, you get 200. Next 100 is 300. Okay, children? Now you will take the last two digits, 73. 73 comes in which section? 73 comes in this section. Yes, 73 comes after 50, right? So, it is coming in this section. So, if the number is in this section, it will be rounded to which number? Which 100? It will be rounded to the next 100. Which is our next 100 here? 300. So, 273 is rounded to 300. Clear, children? So, if the last two digit is from 0, 1 to 49, it will go to the first 100, and if the last two digit is from 50 to 99, it will go to the next 100. And one more thing, you have to take the correct 100. Only then your answer will be correct. Huh? To take the correct 100, easy. It is very easy. You take the first digit. Here it is 2. So, the first 100 is 200. Next 100 will be 300. Suppose a number was 450. So, 450 comes between which two hundreds? First, you have 4. So, it will be between 400. After 4, which is the next 100? It is 500. Clear, children? Now, you take the last two digits. You have 50. 50 goes to which section? 50 is in the second section. So, it will be rounded to the next 100. Which is the next 100? 500. So, 450 is rounded to 500. Clear, children? So, this is how we round to the nearest 10 and nearest 100. Please watch this once again. Make it clear. Okay. Thank you.